know. So it's January 2nd, 2010. And, what is that, Katie? What is it, Katie?
Yeah?
Yeah. Miranda loves the water experiment.
Dada!
Hi, baby. What are you doing with water?
Dada!
You're going to drink water?
Ah!
Good times. Keep it in the sink. Just keep it in the sink. Okay, where's your sister? No. Don't play with the plunger, baby. Or the brush. We're learning about hot and cold, too. I think. Okay. Are you learning things? You did that? You're doing the dishes. Quite a discovery. Okay, well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Water.